Welcome to MachineStation, where precision meets innovation. Step inside our showroom, where you'll find an extensive collection of high-quality CNC machines. From milling machines to lathes, we have a wide range of options to cater to your specific requirements. At MachineStation, we believe in teamwork. Our dedicated staff is passionate about what they do, working together to ensure that every customer receives personalized attention and expert guidance throughout their CNC machine buying journey. Precision is at the core of everything we do. We understand that your business relies on the accuracy and reliability of your CNC machines. With locations in Lake Elsinore, California, Houston, Texas, Chicago, Illinois, Mexicali, Mexico, and Gurugram, India. We source the best machines for our inventory and conduct rigorous inspections to guarantee the quality of every machine we sell. Whether you're a well-established business adding capacity or a business looking into your very first machine, our team is available 24/7, working around the clock to help with any questions you may have. If that's not enough, MachineStation is the largest stocking dealer in the world with more than 250,000 square feet of inventory. And that is what makes MachineStation stand out from the rest.